To buy Baby Dogecoin using Pancakeswap, you will need to have a few things ready. First, you need to install a digital wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet on your device. Once installed, you need to add Binance Smart Chain to your wallet. Next, you need to fund your wallet with Binance Coin, which is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance Smart Chain. You can buy Binance Coin on various cryptocurrency exchanges and then transfer it to your wallet. After funding your wallet, go to the Pancakeswap website and connect your wallet to the platform. You can do this by clicking on the Connect Wallet button and selecting your wallet provider. Once your wallet is connected, you can start the process of buying Baby Dogecoin. In the From field, select Binance Coin, and in the To field, enter the contract address of Baby Dogecoin. You can find the contract address on the Baby Dogecoin website or on a cryptocurrency information website. Enter the amount of Binance Coin you want to swap for Baby Dogecoin and click on the Swap button. Review the transaction details and confirm the transaction. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction and pay the gas fee. Gas fee is a small fee paid to the miners to process your transaction. Once you confirm the transaction, it will be processed and the Baby Dogecoin will be added to your wallet. It is essential to be aware of the risks associated with buying and selling cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. Always do your own research and consider your financial situation before investing in any cryptocurrency. By following these steps, you can buy Baby Dogecoin using Pancakeswap. Remember to stay safe and only use reputable sources to get information about cryptocurrencies and their contract addresses.